Every mortgage broker I know wants more referrals, but most of them are going about it completely the wrong way. If you're still offering Amazon vouchers, or you're sending hampers, or you're begging clients for 5 friends' numbers, you are not building a referral system, you are buying attention. And worse, you're probably sending the complete wrong message. So let me show you a better way, one that's cheaper, more personal, and actually gets you referrals on autopilot. See, I have seen it time and time again. Brokers try to force referrals instead of earning them. But the reality is referrals come from emotion, not incentive. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple retention strategy that I teach in my Mortgage Business Mastery method. It's going to create organic referrals without begging or bribing anybody. It's a win-win. So what we're going to cover is why most referral tactics backfire, the simple moving card system that actually works, and how to make it memorable so clients actually want to talk about you. So let's start with why your current approach might be hurting your brand. So the problem with most referral strategies is that they are transactional. When you dangle a gift card or you send a hamper, you're saying, do this for me and I'll reward you. But that is not relationship marketing, okay? That is bribery disguised as gratitude. I was once sent a lovely looking hamper. It had chocolates, it had champagne, it had coffee, the works. It was insane. Except I'm vegan, I don't drink alcohol, and I don't drink caffeine because of all of those things, because I have a kidney condition. So what was meant to be a thoughtful gesture instantly just became proof that person hadn't actually listened to a word I had said. You see, if your gestures don't reflect who your client is, they're going to erode trust instantly. Referrals are emotional rewards for how someone feels after they work with you. It's not a transaction. So stop trying to buy referrals and start trying to earn them through thoughtful connection. So what should you be doing instead? Well, there's one small thing that has transformed the way my clients get referrals, and that is the moving day card. Now, it's one of the most unglamorous cards, honestly, you're ever going to send. It's on Moonpig. I create what looks like a cheap tabloid front page that says breaking news, client's name, have just moved in. And it's got a photo of their actual house on it from Rightmove. There's no logos, there's no branding, no ego at all. It is ugly, it's memorable. Now, how does it work? Well, you design a breaking news card on Moonpig. Then what you do is you use a photo of their new home and headline with their names in it. Then schedule it to arrive on completion day. So it's one of the very first things that they receive at their new address. You see, the impact is huge. Every time a friend comes over and sees it and laughs, and they're going to ask, who sent you that? And the client's always going to say, my mortgage advisor. And that's where the referrals begin. You see, you don't need to be pretty, you need to be memorable. Referrals come from moments that feel personal, not promotional. Now, this works because it taps into 2 very powerful psychological effects, the mere exposure effect and nostalgia bias. So when a client looks back on their moving day, one of the most emotional moments in their lives, they're going to remember who made it special. And that card becomes part of their story. So by combining emotion, timing, and personalization, you can turn one card into 7 conversations, sometimes literally. One of my clients, Ripley, got 7 referrals from a single client just using this exact same approach. It's not about doing more, it's about doing something worth remembering. Retention is about relationships that never end, not reminders that just fade. So now you know how to earn referrals without bribery. The next step is learning how to get clients to say yes in the first place, because all of the referrals in the world won't matter if you're not converting the clients in front of you. So watch this next, which is how top mortgage advisors get clients to say yes. That video will show you how to lead conversations with confidence and close protection like a professional. Remember, simplicity scales, confusion kills.